Good morning. I'm Watch Manager Tim Morrison from Blue Watch Stockhill Fire Station with Nottinghamshire Fire and Rescue Service, and we're here today at Tuxford at Calverton, who very kindly offered to give us the space to provide rescue training for a road traffic collision. The video clips that you've seen involve 3 vehicles. There's 2 cars, one of which is on its roof, and a transit van on its side. 2 casualties inside the car that's been upside down, and a casualty in the van, and also a cyclist unfortunately under the silver car that you've seen. The idea of today was to get crews from Stockhill, Eastwood and Stapleford and Blidworth to be involved in a multi-pump exercise, working collectively to achieve our objectives, and this was done including some of our firefighters in development. Very important for us to give them the exposure to real incidents, or incidents with as much realism as we can, to enable them to progress safely and to get a fuller idea of what happens, real incidents on the road. We hope that we never see you in a situation like this. As I say, it's only an exercise, but drive to arrive, and we hope you're safe and well for the future. Thank you for watching.